I found egg. Wow, there are three. Oh. Oh, look at the airplane. I think it's a jet plane.
A few moments later.
We found a nest, an egg inside on the flowers. Look at that.
I can't see. Okay, I'll get out. Here, yeah. Here, open down. Wait.
Oh, don't fall down.
Okay, just get off.
Yeah, I found egg here, guys. Look at that. Let me see it to you. This is, look at that. Where is it? Here we go. There are three, oh. The reason why I know there's egg here because I heard the bird coming in and then making a noise. Then I was sitting down under on the trees there. Yeah. Look at that. It's a flower. Yeah. So we are on the pool. Yeah, this is sliding pool there. And then I found egg. Wow. There are three. Oh. See? That's so cute. Oh, that's so cute, the art press. So let it go. Pabayaan natin yan so that the mama and the dad is somewhere there. Where is? Yeah. Kita niyo ba? Kita niyo ba yung bird? Yeah. Ayan sila. Yung dalawa.